everyone. Thank you for tuning in to the Animal Crossing New Horizons Direct. Today, we'll be going over the details of the update for the Animal Crossing New Horizons game. The update is scheduled to be released on November 5th. Let's take a look at the free content coming to your island. Something's coming to the museum. This is The Roost, a cafe owned by the composed Brewster. Kick back and relax while Brewster serves you up a cup of his finest, hand-selected coffee. You might run into some island residents here. By using the Animal Crossing series Amiibo figures and Amiibo cards in The Roost, you can invite characters of your choosing. Some of them may bring along company as well. Multiple players can also visit at the same time. Why not savor a relaxing cup of joe together? This is Captain. You'll find him lounging around on your island's pier. Looks like he'll ferry you to a destination via his boat, his pride and joy. It's worth the journey just to be serenaded by his sea shanties. Your destination is a hidden gem that only Captain knows about. You might dock at an island with mysterious flora, or an island with a different season, or time of day. Hey, it's Harv's Island. As you may know, Harv runs a photography studio here. Now, the island's undergoing some changes. Looks like Harv wants to create a plaza with all sorts of shops, with a little help from his longtime friend Harriet. Consider contributing some bells to the cause. Eventually, familiar island visitors like Sahara and Kix will set up shop here. Reese and Cyrus can help customize ready-made furniture that you can't customize on your own. In addition, Katrina will reveal your fortune for that day. Fingers crossed, it'll be a bustling plaza filled with all sorts of shops. Harriet might teach you some newly added hairstyles. Try out some simple stretches by participating in group stretching at the plaza. You can participate too. Join in by using either button controls or motion controls with a Joy-Con controller. Stretch it out together when you invite friends to your island or when visiting someone else's island. The resident representative can now enact island ordinances. Take the Early Bird Ordinance, for example. This will make all island residents awake and active earlier in the morning. Pick the ordinance that best suits your island lifestyle. The home services offered by Tom Nook have been upgraded. More exterior options are available. You can modify your home's exterior to match your island's landscape. Also, storage expansion services just got bigger. Previously, home storage held up to 2,400 items. With 3 more expansions, it now holds up to 5,000. Newly added redeemable items will be available for Nook Miles. Let's see what else you can do with your miles. Cooking is coming to DIY recipes. Combine ingredients like tomatoes, wheat, sugarcane, potatoes, carrots, and more. Why not make a delicious meal from your bountiful harvest? Looks tasty. You can make all sorts of dishes to lay across the dining table. Bon appetit! With a pro decorating license, lighting and ceiling decor can be added to each room. Accent walls will also be available to give a single wall a different pattern. With these, more design options will be at your disposal. The maximum number of bridges and inclines you can place on your island will increase to 10 each. Plus, 9 fence types, including park fencing, block fencing, and corrugated iron fencing will be added, letting you diversify your island even more. Some fencing can be customized too. The camera app on your Nook phone is getting updated. When changing to a handheld camera mode, the view aligns with your eye level. And if you change to a tripod camera mode, you can also be in the picture. We hope you can capture more memories from new perspectives and angles. Patterns that were previously used for customizing items can now be worn or used as flooring and wallpaper, like custom designs. Get in style with different hairstyles. 11 hairstyles will be added, including the ones that Harriet will teach you. "11 new reactions, like waving goodbye, stretching, and bouncing to music are being added as well. Get communicating even more with these reactions. A new Nook phone app, Island Life 101, provides tips on enjoying your island. Rest assured, newcomers, you'll be able to ease into island living. Additionally, you'll be able to acquire more furniture by redeeming your Nook Miles. When your pockets fill up from the day's activities, this storage shed will come in handy. It connects to your home storage and can be placed almost anywhere on your island, so use it to easily store items or take them out. And when you need some bells from your account, this ABD should also come in handy. KK Slider, who holds a live concert at the Plaza every Saturday, will release additional songs. Keep an ear out for 12 more hits, like KK Break and KK Polka. You can even enjoy them from this gorgeous-sounding music box, a newly added furniture item. Looks like something's buried underground. Is it a fossil? It's a gyroid. When you find gyroid fragments, then plant and water them, they'll mature into a lovely gyroid overnight. If gyroids have grown on your island, you may find more the day after it rains. Gyroids make rather interesting sounds. Experiment with different gyroid combinations or use them with music to bask in fresh harmonies. Gyroids can be customized to match a room's atmosphere. Nook's Cranny will have newly added furniture types available, like ceiling decor. The shop will also get furniture that's never been seen before. There's a new type of tool you can craft. You'll be able to permanently place ladders on cliffs with the ladder setup kit. It's super handy for getting around your island. This DIY recipe can be purchased from Nook's Cranny. Narrow spaces in a room? Now you can walk through them like this. It's a great way to navigate tight spots in rooms with lots of furniture on display. And let's not forget keeping up your relationships with the other residents. You've all spent so much time together on the island. They may invite you over to their home or make a surprise visit to yours. What do you think? You might experience this new content in various ways, some of them outside of what we've shown you today. This free update, version 2.0, launches November 5th. This will be the last major free content update for Animal Crossing New Horizons. We hope you'll continue enjoying your island experience. Oh? Something new is on the horizon. Our destination is this archipelago, made up of several islands. Known as a resort, this locale is popular among characters searching for their ideal vacation homes. This is Animal Crossing New Horizons, Happy Home Paradise. After a reference from Tom Nook, you'll assist Paradise Planning, a resort developer, in designing vacation homes. Through your work, you'll be in charge of coordinating dream lifestyles for characters. The goal of Paradise Planning is to help characters acquire their dream vacation homes. Characters with various dreams come to visit the office on this island. For example, meet Maple. Her dream vacation home is filled with lots and lots of bears. Let's make her dream a reality. First, select the island on which the vacation home will be built. Each island has distinctive features. Yards, for instance, may differ from island to island. Pick the island that best matches the request, then head on over to the site. Once you arrive on the island, take a tour of the home. Place the designated furniture requested by the client. After that, everything else is up to you. Recommended furniture from Paradise Planning will already be available. Pick which ones you'd like to use to start designing. Create depth by adding lighting to the ceiling. Spice up a wall with some wallpaper as well. It looks fantastic! While you're at it, why not suggest ideas for the yard? Not only can you place furniture, you can also build fences, plant trees, and create paths. The home's location and exterior can be modified too. And with the ability to modify the season, time of day, and weather, you can bring a design to life that's in perfect harmony with nature. Seems like the client is pretty happy. As you continue designing vacation homes, you'll acquire various design techniques. For example, adjusting the size of the interior. By modifying its width or length, more creative design options will become available. In addition, you can use partition walls to divide the space. Counters with 2 different heights. And pillars that support the ceiling. Each can help change how the home is structured. Lighting can be adjusted as well to enhance the overall mood. And you can incorporate soundscapes to add depth to the home's atmosphere. Finally, polishing can give a finishing touch to the interior design. Polish your furniture with care, and some effects may be added. Why not give your furniture a new flourish? After a hard day's work, head back to the office to get compensated for your efforts. A shop space within the office sells rare furniture that may be hard to find on your island. Once purchased, you can take it home with you. As you receive more requests, more furniture will become available. Why not visit clients you've helped out before? It might be good to suggest remodeling their vacation home with different furniture. With your recommendation, 2 clients can share a vacation home. We hope they love sharing their new piece of paradise. Say, the island on which Lottie's Paradise Planning Office is located has a lot of vacant buildings. You can help Lottie design these as well to make the island even more robust. Take schools, for example. Design one by drawing inspiration from your own memories, or craft the school of your dreams instead. Other facilities, such as a restaurant, can also be developed. You may be delighted seeing others using the facilities you've designed. The vacation homes you design are captured in photos as design samples, then recorded in the Paradise Planning portfolio. To view the portfolio, use this Nook Phone app, Happy Home Network. From the app, you can visit the homes of previous clients and see how they're doing. By connecting online, you'll be able to share your design with people from all over the world. Follow the designers you like and view their designs to spark inspiration for your own. Use the Animal Crossing series Amiibo figures and Amiibo cards to invite clients of your choosing and discuss their ideal vacation homes. With Amiibo, you can design vacation homes for these busy individuals. The vacation homes you design for them will hopefully make them very happy. Design techniques acquired while working with a Paradise planning team can be used on your island. Experiment with partition walls, counters, pillars, lighting, and soundscapes. You can also polish your own furniture to spruce up your home. And by gifting your residents a special souvenir from Paradise Planning, they may become interested in what the archipelago has to offer. They may even ask you to design a vacation home for them. Who knows? Someday, after you've designed a certain number of homes, you might even be able to suggest home remodels to your island residents. What do you think? Turning every character's dream into a reality with thorough and creative design. That's the work of Paradise Planning. There's a spot open for you to join their team and start designing. Animal Crossing New Horizons Happy Home Paradise launches on November 5th as paid additional content for Animal Crossing New Horizons. Pre-orders begin October 29th on Nintendo eShop. You can purchase Animal Crossing New Horizons Happy Home Paradise on its own or experience the paid additional content as part of Nintendo Switch Online Plus Expansion Pack, the new membership plan for Nintendo Switch Online. Please visit the official website for more details on Nintendo Switch Online Plus Expansion Pack. In addition, the 5th series of the Animal Crossing Amiibo cards will be available. 48 cards, including characters previously not on Amiibo cards, as well as new ones, will be released at the same time as the update. Series 5 of the Animal Crossing Amiibo cards will be released on November 5th. Check your local retailer for details. Thanks for watching the Animal Crossing New Horizons Direct. We hope you'll savor an even sweeter island life and relish in the new design experience. See ya on November 5th.